The video you just watched was created entirely with the AI platform I'm about to show you. Over the past few years, we've seen hundreds of AI tools launch, but most of them still limit your creativity. You're stuck with generic results, complicated workflows, or you end up wasting credits just trying to get one good video. Well, that changes today. In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe is the best AI video platform available right now, how to use it properly, and the exact settings you need to get the best results. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because one small mistake could end up costing you credits that you didn't need to spend. Let's get started. So this right here is the AI tool itself, and if you just look around the layout, you can clearly see that I was definitely not lying when I told you that you can use Seedance 2, as well as many other top-tier models like ChatGPT and even ByteDance, all inside this one single interface. Isn't that just incredibly convenient to have everything right at your fingertips? If you click right here on the AI videos section, you'll be loaded directly over to this workspace. And right from the get-go, you can see they have lots and lots of amazing features available, such as the image to video feature, the extend video feature, as well as the classic text to video feature. And this is honestly an absolute game changer. Just take a look at the quality you get with this. Firstly, I'm going to be testing out the text to video by clicking right here on text to video, and you should be immediately loaded over to this next interface. If you look around the page, you can see that you can actually access Seedance's tool using this platform completely for free and with unlimited access, which is insane. To use this, all you have to do is first select the specific model you want by clicking right here. And they have a wide variety to choose from, ranging from Seedance 2, Happy Horse, and even Kling. For this specific demonstration, I'm going to go with Seedance 2, and they have many different variants like Seedance 2 Mini and Seedance 2 as well as Seedance 2 Fast, but for this, I'm going to stick with the main Seedance 2 model. Now all you have to do is type in your prompt for this. I can say a video of a man running down a busy street and he wears a hat and sunglasses. And with a simple prompt like this, we can easily test out the capabilities of the AI tool. So all you have to do is scroll down a little bit to look at the settings, and you can take the duration all the way up to 15 seconds if you want a longer clip. But for this preview, I think 10 seconds would be just great. Next, choose the video quality, which I will go with 720p right here. And you can as well select the aspect ratio for this. I'm gonna go with 16:9 for that widescreen realistic view. And all you have left to do is to click right here on Create, and your video is currently being generated. So just give this a couple of minutes while it processes and generates our video for us, and in no time, our video is fully done generating. Let's play this right now and have a better look. And isn't that just great? Look at the movement, no weird morphing, no distortion, and it's handled our prompt perfectly. We have the video of a man running down the streets, and it looks quite busy with a realistic background. I love the attention to detail that this AI tool pays when it comes to prompting, and you can click right here and download it straight into your device. Or you can edit or extend this as well if you need it to be longer. If we head back to the main page, you can see that it's not only a video generator. You can as well generate high-quality audio as well as music. And it has an all-new storyboard feature that you can test out. Well, lastly, let's test out the image generator. Because if you click right here, you'll be loaded over to this interface. And you can see that it has lots of amazing features as well, such as the text-to-image and image effects, which is basically an integrated image editor. For this, I'm going to test out the text-to-image. So I'll click right here, and from the get-go, you can look around and see what other people are designing with this. And you can generate anything you want, ranging from YouTube thumbnails to realistic images and magazine covers. It really has it all. To use this, all you have to do is click right here and choose the model. I recommend going with ChatGPT Image 2, which is currently free for me as I'm testing this right here. You can see right here it's limited time free, so make sure to check it out. I'm also going to select it like this and type in the prompt like, I can say, image of a realistic dog playing in a park. Why I love this prompt so much is it actually pushes the AI tool to its absolute limits with the lighting and fur textures. So now choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1. And of course, take the resolution to 4K and the image quality to high. Having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Create, and our image is currently being generated. Why I love this AI tool so much is because it has lots and lots of varieties and lets you use the top models out there. Even the new ones that have been updated daily will be available for you to use. Okay, in no time, our image is ready. And as you can see, it did a fantastic job with this, no weird morphing as well, no distortion, and it looks incredibly clean and lifelike. And you can click right here to download your image. So that brings us to the end of the video. The link of this AI tool will be in my bio, so make sure to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And this right here is the pricing plan, ranging all the way from the $33 a month plan that comes absolutely packed with 10,000 free credits. This is actually the cheapest way you can possibly use Seedance 2 right now, because they give you a ton of extra bonus credits, specifically for Seedance 2 generation, and you get completely unlimited videos and unlimited images on this tier. They also have other lesser, more budget-friendly plans that you can check out if you're just getting started, and they run really, really well and give you an amazing bang for your buck, so make sure to check it out. The link to this pricing page will be right in my bio.